There are reasons why certain plants work well in Japanese gardens. They are slow-growing perennials that exude a sense of serenity because of their attractive foliage or flowers, their aesthetically pleasing overall form, and the harmony between their trunk and branches. If cultivating a Japanese garden is an art form that interests you, keep watching. We'll tell you exactly what you need to know to create a stunning and authentic Zen garden in your own backyard. Following are the 7 essential plants and flowers of a Zen garden, all of which have deep roots in Japanese culture. Number 1. Buddha belly bamboo. You can't have a Japanese garden without bamboo. Buddha belly bamboo has stems that are roughly an inch in diameter. Their emerald hue is deep, and they shine like a mirror. That bamboo will get pretty tall, too. There will be an initial upright habit, but the cones will eventually bend under the weight of the foliage. The end result is harmonious and serene. This fast-growing plant is perfect for screening undesirable sights or providing a beautiful backdrop to a serene space in your Japanese garden. Can survive in USDA hardiness zones 9 through 12. Number 2. Sawara Cypress. As with the bamboo, this evergreen conifer shrub is a must-have in any Japanese garden. It has a very elegant and harmonious form, and it adds depth of texture and color all year round. Its cones are typically smaller and more proportional than those of other cypress species. Soil with a pH of 6.5 or lower is ideal, but plants can also thrive in loam, chalk, clay, or sand. Constant watering will maintain a moist soil environment. Sawara cypress can survive in USDA plant hardiness zones 4 to 8. Number 3. Japanese Wisteria. Keep in mind that, unlike English garden borders, Japanese garden beds tend not to feature a smattering of flowers. Flowers have a different significance in their culture. It is the nature of Wisteria to produce many of the same kind of flower at the same time. Wisteria is one of the most beautiful flowering plants, and it comes in a wide variety of colors. Traditional hues of lavender, magenta, white, blue, and violet can all be found among the blossoms. They are equally as beautiful in a Japanese garden, zone 5 to 9 USDA hardiness. Number 4. Japanese painted fern. Triangular in outline, the fronds of the Japanese Ethereum, or Ethereum japonica, as it is known in the scientific community, are both visually stunning and incredibly elegant and beautiful in texture. Elegant and striking, the color ranges from a light silvery burgundy purple to a silvery green. It can only be grown along the edges of the winding paths in a Japanese garden or under the gnarled limbs of trees. The hardiness of painted lady fern is from USDA zones 5 to 8. Number 5. Japanese Cobra Lily. The Japanese cobra lily is perfect for adding a touch of the exotic to a Japanese garden. They're more interested in the lesser-known exotic gem tucked away in the palm fronds. These light green and dark brown tropical plants, which resemble cobra heads with a strange proboscis or elephant trunk dropping from their noses, hide perfectly well next to statues, behind rocks, or under clumps of bamboo. Hardy in USDA plant hardiness zones 5 through 9, the Japanese cobra lily is an excellent choice for those locations. Number 6. Japanese Quince. When the leaves are young, these shrubs are covered in clusters of small, round flowers that smell and look delicious. The result is a visual effect reminiscent of Japan's iconic cherry blossoms. The flowers on these medium-sized shrubs may not be as showy as those on cherry trees, but they last much longer and can be grown in a smaller garden. You can also use them to create a beautiful, natural-looking hedge around your entire Japanese garden. Zones 5 to 9 of the United States Department of Agriculture. Number 7. Japanese maple. Japanese maples are another example of a non-mossable plant in a traditional Japanese garden. This small deciduous tree stands out thanks to its gorgeous palmate leaves and graceful form. It's a natural representation of the perfect Japanese tree. Numerous cultivars exist, each with its own unique size, leaf coloration, and even leaf shape. Lace leaf plants are characterized by their leaves, which are divided into segments. They become airier and more refined as a result of this. Typically, Japanese maples can survive in USDA planting zones 5 through 8. Well, thanks for watching video from Catchy Garden. Don't forget to click like and subscribe button to always support our channel. You can also turn on the notification bell to get the latest videos from us. We'll see you in the next video.